If you have tennis elbow, you're probably wondering what happened to cause so much pain, especially if you're not a tennis player. I'm Dr. AJ. Let's talk about what tennis elbow is and what causes it so you know what you can do to heal it. Tennis elbow, also known as lateral epicondylitis, is an injury of a tendon that attaches to the outer part of your elbow. This tendon is called the common extensor tendon and is attached to multiple muscles in the forearm that are involved in grip and extending the wrist. Tennis elbow is an overuse injury that happens with repetitive activities and motions of the wrist. It's called tennis elbow because it's so common in tennis players. About 50% of tennis players end up getting tennis elbow at some point. In tennis, you are gripping the racket and repeatedly extending the wrist when you swing, especially in the backhand swing. When this happens over and over again, it can put more strain on the tendon than it is ready to handle, and it becomes strained. It gets torn, but not a big tear, more like micro tears. It becomes inflamed, swollen, and painful. After a few weeks, the inflammation goes away, and as it progresses, it's more of a degenerative condition, meaning the tendon continues to break down and not fully heal. It gets thicker and stiffer and stuck in a state of repeated partial tearing and partial healing. It's not just tennis that causes this, it's anything that involves repetitively gripping and extending the wrist, like using a wrench, a screwdriver, paintbrush, kitchen utensils, sometimes even typing, using a mouse, or other types of activities. Most cases of tennis elbow will heal within a few months, but many become chronic and can last for years. Tendons don't have very good blood flow, so sometimes the body struggles to heal from tennis elbow. Luckily, there are ways to help your body heal so it doesn't have to last for months or years. There's things that can help improve blood flow, improve strength, and stimulate a healing response. One of the easiest things you can do to heal your tennis elbow are eccentric exercises that strengthen the tendon in a way that relieves pain and helps it heal. For the specific exercises that help tennis elbow heal, check out my other videos on exercises for tennis elbow in this tennis elbow video series. Make sure to subscribe. Have a great day.